What's up, everybody? Quick little, I was about to say trade recap. Market just opened. Actually, it's 9:35. It opened 5 minutes ago. We have this hourly fair value gap. We are in a 4 hour. We we did get a 15-minute CISD back to the downside right here, but well, we gotta see what happens. Bias is actually my bias might. I don't know. We have these lows. I was gonna say bullish, but I mean, I'm not really seeing a reason to go bullish. No lie. But we'll see what happens. Market just opened and we're moving sideways, so. But bias is bearish because, lately we have been extremely, selling off. Let's not try and guess the reversal, you know? Let's not try and bottom tick this shit. However, we do have a nice 1 hour fair value gap, so we'll see what happens. Like, maybe we could target just London high. But we'll see. I'm gonna come back. I'm leaving in probably like 5 minutes. So I'll be kind of gone for the next grow. However, we do have 10 o'clock news. And it's pretty high impact, so I probably would honestly just wait until 10 o'clock anyway. However, I mean, 1 hour fair value gap, 5 minutes CASD. You could at least maybe target London High. Besides the London High, I really don't know what you would target. Like long term wise, I'm not bullish. Shit. Like maybe these highs. Like that's how high I would kind of expect price to go. That's my I don't expect price to kind of come up here. We might take out London high though. Let's see. Anyway, so I'm gonna come back probably when I come back. Around, it'll actually be like around 10 o'clock. So I'll see you guys then. Alrighty, I think we're back. Today, what's today? Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. We did not take a trade. I took a trade in practice. Um, but I didn't honestly see anything that, like, when I looked at the stock market, I honestly didn't see anything that I liked. Like, I saw this, I thought I was gonna take a trade here. I was like, okay, 15-minute fair value gap. Problem is, we're extremely in like a premium to long, which is not good. Um, and my main target was hit, so I was like, kind of like, I don't really like this for longs. However, I didn't want to long until it got disrespected, which happened at what time was this? 15:30. At 3:30. So 3:30. Yes, and I remember I was looking for a trade here, but we just kind of moved sideways, and then all of a sudden it just shit the bed. Like there was nothing. That explains how like the whole day went when I was looking for a trade. We would move sideways and then shit the bed. Move sideways and then it just went. I mean, to be fair though, my appointment, I was not home from like here to I think I was home around I could actually check an hour ago. That's not true. I don't know. It was like two something. So it was like over here. and then I made food. I think I came back over here. So I was gone from 11:30 or 11 like 11:15ish. So in this area of consolidation, and I came back in this little area of consolidation, and I was like, I'm gonna go just go make food and eat. I came back, we had this 15 minute, and then you know how that played out. So on it, I don't know why this shit's fucking. So honestly, there was nothing for me to take. I mean, if you just look at the hourly, we opened right here. Look at this. Like, there was nice trades though. I mean, this is ugly. This is not nice price action. And guys, I'm gonna make a new rule because um, I don't like looking at the charts like all day waiting for a trade, and then I'm gonna say waste my day, but like I'm sitting here staring at the computer and I could be doing other shit that I have to do. So if I don't take a trade by 11, I'm gonna get off the charts. This is actually a rule I'm gonna write it off, or I could write it, do it real quick. My camera's not even on. Anyway, I'm gonna make a rule. If I don't take a trade by 11 o'clock, I'm leaving until 1:30 and I'll come back. So from 11 to 1:30, I'm not trading. Actually, the lunch hour I might trade, but like trade, I'm gonna say trade during, and we'll say like, I don't mind trading 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock to 11 a.m. So 8 to 11, and then from 11 to 12:30 be done. But 12:30-ish, 12:30 to including the last, I don't want to trade really the last hour, but we could. But 8 to 11 and then 12:30 to like we'll say 2:30. And then the final hour is 2:50 to 4. This isn't set in motion. This rule is a little flexible. Um, but yeah. The only nice trade was this short right after 10. I don't know what I was doing. I just stared it on the wall. The only nice trade was this one at 11. We had this 15-minute fair value gap that we were still respecting. Here, right here. I could just fucking see it with my eyes. We had this 15-minute fair value gap to the left. CISD happened where? Here. We never got it. We put in a higher high. Wait a minute. We never got a CISD out of this 15 minute? Oh, we did. Where's the 15-minute? Is it this one? It is this one. Bam. Okay, now going back real quick. Right here. Okay, no, we did get a CISD. Actually, we never did. So I don't know why you would short here before. Higher high, we never even got a CISD again. And then all of a sudden, we put in a higher high. We get a CISD, fair value gap. It gets traded within. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It actually taps the CISD here. This is your CISD. If you took this good shit, guys, I actually think there's also an SMT. So I remember marking one out to the downside on the 5 minute, and I just never took the trade off of it. But this is a bearish 1 minute. We have a CISD here, and then this also is a bullish, but we inverse it. Beautiful, 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 and one candle as well. You could have, I probably would have entered right on the inverse because it was only like a few points right here. Well, how many points is this? 4 points. I would have just entered off the inverse. Now, realistically, your stop should be up here. However, I would probably risk maybe around here for like 28 points. I would probably risk something like this. Targets that Asian low or Asian low, London low. We didn't hit them yet. You could do this low and then lower. But I would have just targeted 50 points because that's the max win. And we were fucking around a little bit, but we delivered pretty quickly. But these candles are like 40 points. Yeah. I think I was waiting for price to tap this 1 minute. I don't really know actually, but this was the only trade that people should have taken. I don't like shorts before because we never even broke structure to the downside. Like we were in an uptrend, and just because we came inside of a fucking 50-minute fair value gap doesn't mean short. But I like shorts here. We broke structure to the downside. CISD, fair value gap. This was nice. This was nice, this short. And then the rest of the day, honestly, was dog shit. I mean, there's not a whole lot going on. Yeah, you could have traded here, but I wasn't here. Actually, I was, no, I wasn't. I was making food during this. But like, from this to this, I was not here. I was getting blood work done. Ah, is there anything I would have taken? I mean, the market's been kind of messy lately. Anyway, so tomorrow is CPI. And I literally just watched a video as I was taking a piss about how TGR was like, oh, don't trade tomorrow. Dude, you can fucking trade. Like, be realistic. You could trade. We have CPI at 8:30, which affects the market. But if you're looking for a trade by 9:50, 10 o'clock, you'll be fine. CPI doesn't affect the market the whole fucking day. I've never seen it do that. The only thing that I've seen do that is like when we have news at like 12 o'clock and it'll be Chairman Powell speaking or like the or FOMC meeting minutes or shit like that, where it's kind of like in the middle of the trading day. That affects the market for a few hours, and you'd probably be better off not trading. But CPI might just cause big Drake, big fucking dick candles. But CPI, this whole week is fine to trade. CPI is fine, PPI is fine, and then Friday is also fine. This whole day was fine. But Monday, Tuesday, no trades for me. Monday, Tuesday, no trades for me. Uh, yeah, I mean, what are you gonna do? But seeing shit like this pisses me off, dude. Even if you just short it there, I think it's just like, oh, it's not 50, but it's 40. I don't know. No trades for me today. I'm gonna look to trade by, I have it written down, by like the first macro, like 9:50 to 10:10. If I don't see a trade during that, I'm probably
The
gonna.
markets are closed.
Thanks for the heads up. Anyway, this is fucking long. I'm rambling. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we're taking a trade. Because this is ridiculous. This is a fucking combine. I could be a little risky. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Uh, Tomorrow is, what is it, CPI? What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Wednesday. I don't have class. Sorry, I'm fucking thinking. I'm gonna see you guys later.